nuance. Hi everyone, today I want to share with you my review of the Wacom Cintiq 16 pen display. As a digital artist, having a good drawing tablet is crucial to my work, and I have to say the Wacom Cintiq 16 has exceeded my expectation. First of all, the display is absolutely stunning. The colors are bright and vibrant, and the resolution is incredibly sharp. This makes a joy to work on and ensure that my artwork looks the best. The 15.6-inch screen is perfect size for me, providing a plenty of the workplace without feeling too cramped. I recently drew a digital portrait with the Wacom Cintiq 16 of the Anne Hathaway, and I was impressed with how easily I could mark out the base colors and then directly approach to the details. The tablet is very responsive to my touch, and I haven't experienced any lag or delays on my work. The Wacom Pro Pen tool that comes with the tablet is also the fantastic tool with 8192 level of the pressure sensitivity and comfortable grip. The pen works flawlessly on the screen, and I never have to worry about it missing a stroke and acting erratically. The build quality of the Cintiq 16 is also the top notch. It feels solid and well made, and the pen is comfortably to hold a long periods of times. The external stand I bought is also very versatile and also allow me to adjust the angle and the height to my liking. One of the features that sets the Cintiq 16 apart from the other drawing tablet is the ability to draw directly on the screen. This makes it feel like I'm working on the traditional paper, but with all the benefit of the digital art. The pen sensitivity is allow me to create a detail and nuance artwork. Additionally, I use the Baseus USB Type-C hub to connect up to 3 screens. Compared to the dock, it's portable, lightweight, and easy to store when it comes to that setup. This allows me to work on the multiple screen add-ons, increase my productivity and efficiency. Overall, I will highly recommend the Wacom Cintiq 16 and Baseus USB Type-C hub to any digital artist looking for the high-quality tools to enhance their workflow. The display, build qualities, and the feature of the Cintiq 16 make a fantastic investment in your craft, while the Baseus USB Type-C hub helps to streamline your workplace. Thank you for watching and happy creating.